Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how I film my YouTube videos. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are interested in filming their YouTube videos. How do you actually go ahead and do that? So I have this really simple film setup here that I'm going to be explaining. First, let's start from a left to right sequence. So we have my desk mount right over here. And so my desk mount is connected to my teleprompter, and then I use my iPad with a teleprompter app. And then connected to the teleprompter is my Sony a7 III with a 12 to 35 millimeter lens. And then my camera connects to my MacBook, okay? Or basically my iMac. And that's how I'm able to get visuals that you see here using OBS. And then with my iMac, it's connected to my Shure SM7B with the audio. So I'm using the visuals from my camera, but I'm using the audio from my Shure SM7B. And then I use OBS to record. So with this setup, I'm able to get a really nice clean picture and sound. And the best thing about it is that I'm able to record videos on my camera, but the video files actually save on my desktop or my iMac. So I don't need to take out the SD card and put it into my iMac. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I actually film YouTube videos. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'll link all my items here down below in the description as well.